So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, this is the class 24. So in this class you will learn how to use a store procedure activity and why we are using a store procedure activity, and this question is very important for the interview purpose. And this question ask them by interview how to store pipeline logs in the Azure SQL database. So what is a store procedure activity? Like store procedure activity in ADF allow you to call a store procedure from a pipeline to perform operations like data insert, update, delete, or log pipeline execution status. Okay, so here you can see this is pipeline I created. From on fail I connected with the store procedure activity. If this fail, then we'll create a log. Okay, and on success I also connected with the store procedure activity. If this pipeline gets success, then create a log in SQL database. Okay, so how this will be create a log? Like we have to create a update pipeline log, like this type of code we have to write in a Azure SQL database. I will do practically also. So guys, here you can see this type of log will be created if pipeline gets success and fail. Here you can see success and fail. So guys, this is a table. Here you can see ADF name, pipeline name, and run ID, run time, run status. Okay, we will do practically also. Okay, so in this document I will also provide in a description box. You can download this document and you can do practice also. Okay, so guys, now I am going in a Azure SQL database. I logged in a Azure SQL database. Okay, so how to create account in Azure SQL database, you can watch my previous video so that you can also create a Azure SQL database account. Okay, so guys, here I have to create first table. Okay, so here you can see table. In a table, column name should be ADF name, pipeline, run ID, run time, run status. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do, I already write it down in a document. Okay, so this document you will also download. I will copy this, and first I will create a table which name is pipeline log. Okay, where column name is ADF name, pipeline, run ID, run time, run status. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this code. Here you can see query successful. Okay, here you can see table has been created, pipeline log name. Okay, so now what I will be do, I will copy second code and will create a store procedure. Okay, so here now I have created a store procedure. Okay, create procedure log pipeline status. I give the name of log pipeline status, and I will give the parameters like ADF name, which will be connected with the activity of store procedure. I will tell you how. Okay, so runtime, run status. Okay, as begin insert into pipeline log. Pipeline log, this is a pipeline log, this is the column name of a table. Okay, so here I also pass the parameters. Okay, so guys, now here you can see Azure SQL database work has been completed. Okay, so now I'm going in Azure Data Factory. Here what I did, I use a copy data activity. In copy data activity, here you can see source. Okay, in source I give the wrong path. Okay, this file name is not exist in a source container in ADLS account. Okay, this is the file name, but I give the wrong file name because I want to fail this activity, or I want to create a log of failure. Okay, in a Azure SQL database. Okay, so simple I did this. Okay, so in a source I give the wrong path. Once the copy activity will run, and this will see the file name case that's UKI22 second and only, but this file name is not exist in ADLS account, so this activity will be failed. Okay, so guys, I am intentionally failing this activity. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am using a store procedure activity. Okay, drag and drop. So what I am going to do, first I will click from the on fail with connect with the store procedure activity. Okay, so guys, what I will do here now, I will drag and drop the arrow from the on fail and connect with the store procedure activity. Okay, so now I will click on the store procedure and go to a setting option. So guys, here what I will do, I will create a new linked services. Okay, click on the new, and after that here I have to create link services. Link services, store sp, simple link services store procedure. Okay, SQL, that's it. So guys, here you can see type is selected Amazon RDS for SQL server. I will click Azure SQL database. Okay, now here you can see Azure subscription. This is my free subscription. Server name which I created in while creating Azure SQL database. I give the name of Akash SQL Server 3rd May. Okay, which I created today. Database name, here you can see this is my database name, and you can also check in a Azure SQL database. Here you can see this is the server name, this is a database name. Okay, in authentication type, SQL authentication, and username I give the Akash admin. Okay, and I give the password also. So I'm giving the password, and now I will click on the test connection symbol. If test connection will successfully, and click on the create, what will happen here? So this will connect with the Azure SQL database. Okay, why? That's why we are creating a link services. What is link service? Link services are like connection string which define the connection information which is needed for data factory to connect with external resource. Okay, so now I will click on the create. Now link services has been completed successfully. Okay, now what I will do, click on the store procedure name. Okay, click on that, and so guys, here you can see nothing is showing, any store procedure is not creating till now. So what I will do, so I will run this code also, because this is not run till now. Run now, query successfully. Okay, now I will go in ADF, and again I will refresh. Here you will see the name of store procedure, what I give, log pipeline status. Okay, so in ADF, now I will click on drop down. Here you can see log pipeline status is showing. Now I created a store procedure also. Okay, so click on that. I already told you about what is a store procedure. Okay, so this is the parameter, ADF name, run ID, run time, and I also insert, while inserting a value, then I will give the table name and parameters. Okay, that's it. So now few things has been completed. We left with the only last step, which is called the import. Here we will click on the import. So which parameter I created, that will be show here automatically. Here you can see ADF name, pipeline name, run ID, run status, run time, which we created here. ADF name, pipeline, run ID, run time, run status. Okay, that's why we created a parameters. Data type already selected. In runtime we have to select a date and time. Okay, that's it. Now here I have to give the value like ADF name. So I click on the add dynamic content and give, and click on the system variable and click on the data factory name, because ADF name मतलब कि Azure data factory name, this is automatically come. Okay, then click on the OK. Now in a pipeline I will click on pipeline, same I will do pipeline name, that's it. Okay, in run ID I will do click on that and system variable, and click on the pipeline run ID. Up here you can see run status. Run status I want to give the fail, because this activity will be fail, that's why I give the fail status. Okay, I selected with the fail, so I will give here fail. Okay, that's it. In a runtime, here I will select a variable like from the variable functions, in a date function. Here you can see UTC now. Okay, click on that and click on OK. That's it. Now store procedure work has been completed. Now guys, store procedure activity work has been completed, which we need to do. Okay, so I give the ADF name, Azure Data Factory, I give the dynamically all the things. Okay, so now what I will do, I will click on the publish all. Okay, first I will click on publish, so that this all the work has been saved successfully. After that we will debug this pipeline. Okay, So just wait for a while so that pipeline gets published successfully completed. Now I will click on the debug. Now you will see copy data activity will fail. Once copy data activity will fail, then this will be connect with the store procedure activity. Then store procedure activity will run. And store procedure activity will run, and that will create a log in Azure SQL database. Okay, so here you can see pipeline log. I will run this. So guys, here you can see store procedure has been successfully. Okay, so I will run this, and this will show the status like ADF name. What is ADF name? Akash ADF thread mein. Okay, so this is, you can see here ADF name Akash thread mein. Okay, so next is showing pipeline store procedure activity. So this is a pipeline name which I give store procedure activity. Okay, run ID, run time, which is showing here, you can see run time. Okay, and run status is failed because this activity has been failed. Copy data activity has been failed. That's why it is showing a fail. Now what I will do, I will use for success also. If my pipeline gets success, then what will be happen? That will be create log of success or not. Okay, so what I am going to do here, I will copy this activity. Okay, and now I will connect with on success to store procedure activity. Okay, in store procedure activity I will do the same which I did earlier. Okay, so here all the things has been same. Here you can see, but I need to give here success message only. So guys, why this activity will fail? Because the in source file is not exist. Okay, now what I will do, I will select the right file name from the source container. Here you can see I selected the dim date and testing CSV I selected, for example. Okay, click on OK. That's it. Okay, now click on store procedure. Now I will click on debug. Now what will happen? Copy data activity will be success. Okay, status should be success. Okay, once this will be success, this will trigger the store procedure activity. Once this will trigger the store procedure activity, then store procedure activity will run. Okay, after that this will be run, then this will be show the success status. Okay, let's see. Here you can see guys, fourth activity has been successfully completed. Status you can see succeed. Now I am going in a Azure SQL database. Here I will run this table again. Okay, here you will see two run status. First is fail, second is success, and you can see the time also. Okay, run ID also you can see, pipeline name, ADF name. So this is all about store procedure activity, how you can use store procedure activity. And this PDF you will download from the description box. Here I give the all the details. Okay, you can follow these steps and you can practice and you can learn all the things. If you have any question, then you can comment in the comment box. Okay, so this is all about for this video, and we will meet in next video, and bye bye guys.